If your Node.js app is fast locally but slow in production, the issue is usually not the server. It's something small in your code that blocks the event loop. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. This code looks harmless. It works perfectly fine when one user hits the API. But this loop blocks the event loop in production while this runs every other request has to wait. That's why the app feels slow only under real traffic. This is another very common mistake. Reading large files fully into memory. This creates memory spikes and garbage collection pauses. The scary part is it doesn't crash immediately. Memory pressure doesn't fail fast, it fails silently. Streams fix this by processing data piece by piece. Same feature, completely different performance profile. This is called the n plus 1 query problem. Your Node.js code is async, but your database becomes the bottleneck. In production, small delays multiply very fast. Most Node.js performance problems are not bugs, they are design decisions that only show up in production. Understanding this is what separates senior developers from beginners. I have written a detailed breakdown on my blog, link in the description.